Yes, so we just completed a 1-hour tour through the market, speaking with various vendors and shoppers, you know, to get a general idea of how they're feeling a day after the horrific incident. You know, the general feedback is that, you know, persons are still in high spirit. Supporters are coming out to buy, but it's a little slower than usual. But the vendors, they're very happy for our presence, my presence, and that of the security forces. So, you know, it's really to get a first-hand assessment of the feeling, the mood, the atmosphere, and just to hear from them as well. What are some of the changes or what they'd want to see implemented from our side? But, you know, generally speaking, the incident has largely shaken up the entire constituency, the Mandeville community, the entire parish. I mean, since the start of the year, we've had about 40 murders. It's very unacceptable. But what we want to continue to assure the public is that the security forces continue to do the very best that they can. The government continues to give the security forces the necessary support. I've spoken with Minister Horace Chang this morning, and he has reaffirmed government's commitment to pay special attention to the parish of Manchester. So more resources will be injected so that the security forces have all the necessary means to continue to fight the crime monster. You know, despite the incidents of crime and violence against the parish, it happening in and around the parish and the constituency, we still have to commend the security forces because they continue to do an excellent job. They have been very responsive, and here in Manchester, in terms of solving crime, they have a record of above 80%, so that is very commendable. So the general appeal to the public is, of course, for safety, but we want the public to continue to tell the police what they know. We can't fight crime on our own. Government, stakeholders, security forces, all of us together have to join hands. Because one of the things we realize too, persons watch the news and they hear of mass shooting or shooting incidents in other areas, and it's almost as if it's not a concern to them. And it is only when it gets to their doorstep that they realize the seriousness of it. So my other message is that let us not wait until it directly impacts you for you to act. Let's tell the police what we know, and we want to assure the public that the market is safe. Persons have been coming out. So I'm picking up, apart from the general incident and the concern for safety, of course there are some vendors who would have pointed out the state of the market. There's a need for repairs, certainly. And even though it is the responsibility of the municipal corporation as member of parliament, I would have long spoken to Minister Desmond Mackenzie, and I know that the government has identified a large sum of funds. I don't want to say the figure here, but the government has identified a huge sum to see to the repairs of the market. So in short order, we will see repairs to the Mandeville market.